Unit 10 Wave. Lesson 11 Wave. Introduction. Sound is a form of energy which is produced by the disturbances in any media. Sound transmits in the form of wave. Sound waves carry energy called sound energy. Waves are produced when material substances vibrate. Sound also exhibits the properties of reflection and refraction like light. The bodies which vibrate and produce sensation of hearing to ears are the sources of sound. Nature of sound waves. Sound waves propagate through solids, liquids, and gases. Thus sound waves are also called mechanical waves. Sound waves cannot propagate through vacuum. But light waves, being an electromagnetic wave, can travel in vacuum. On the basis of medium required, waves are mechanical and electromagnetic. Mechanical wave. 1. It requires material medium to travel. 2. Its speed is low. 3. It is transverse and longitudinal. Electromagnetic wave. 1. It can travel in vacuum. 2. It has high speed. 3. It is transverse only. Transverse wave. If the direction of the vibration of molecules and the direction of propagation of waves are at right angle, then it is called transverse wave. For example, waves in string, waves in surface of water, light waves, etc. Longitudinal wave. If the direction of the propagation of wave and the vibration of the particles of medium is same, then the wave is called longitudinal wave. For example, sound wave in air, etc. Crest and trough. When the displacement of a particle is maximum above from its mean position, the particle is said to be at the crest of the wave. When the displacement of a particle is maximum below, the particle is called trough. Compression and rarefaction. During the propagation of longitudinal wave, the particles of the medium come closer at a certain region called compression. Wavelength. The distance between one compression to another compression of wave propagation, or the distance between two consecutive crest or trough, is called wavelength. Amplitude, A. The height of the crest or the depth of the trough is amplitude. FREQ and CY, F. The numbers of complete vibrations made in 1 second or number of complete waves produced in 1 second is called as frequency. Its SI unit is Hertz, Hertz. It is denoted by F. Time period, T. The total time taken from a complete wave is called time period. Its SI unit is second. It is calculated by T equals 1F. Speed. The distance covered by a wave per unit time is called wave speed. Electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic waves are those waves which do not need a material medium for their propagation, and can travel even though vacuum. Nature of electromagnetic wave. The part of the electromagnetic spectrum which is visible to human eyes is called visible spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of frequencies, the spectrum, of electromagnetic radiation and their respective wavelengths. It includes radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. All of these waves form part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves. The electromagnetic waves having longest waves length which ranges from 108 meters to 1 meter is called radio wave. Microwave. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves with wavelengths ranges from 1 meter to 10 to 3 meters. Infrared wave. Infrared waves are electromagnetic waves with wavelengths ranges from 10 to 3 meters to 7.5 times 10 to 7 meters. Light waves. The wavelength of red light waves is the longest, 7.5 times 10 to 7 meters, and that of violet waves is the shortest, 4 times 10 to 7 meters, of the visible light. Ultraviolet wave. The electromagnetic waves having short wavelength which ranges from 4 times 10 to 7 meters to 10 to 9 meters is called ultraviolet wave. X-ray. The electromagnetic waves having very short wavelength which ranges from 10 to 9 meters to 10 to 12 meters is called X-ray. Gamma rays. The electromagnetic waves having shortest wavelength which ranges from 10 to 13 meters to 10 to 11 meters are called gamma rays. X-ray imaging. X-ray is an electromagnetic wave. X-ray imaging is the technique of examining the internal organs by preparing an image of the body using an X-ray. X-ray photography. This is called X-ray in common language. X-ray photography is the technique of obtaining X-ray photos based on the shadows of the internal organs formed by sending X-rays from the body. CT scan. Computerized tomography scan, CT scan, is a technology developed from X-ray photography. The man is sent inside a donut-shaped machine to perform a CT scan. Reflection of sound. The returning back of sound wave in same medium, when a sound wave is incident in the reflecting surface, is called reflection of sound. Echo. Sound also follows the laws of reflection just like light. When sound is created and its reflected wave returns after striking a wall or any object to the listener, we say an echo is heard. Ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is a technique used in the field of treatment to examine the internal parts of the body using sound waves.